When caring for a large property, it pays to become familiar with zero-turn mowers. In the old days, a lawn tractor was the go-to machine for tasks like mowing the grass, plowing the driveway in the winter, hauling firewood, and toting tools and supplies. A zero-turn mower is a grass-cutting specialist. These machines are built to navigate the landscape with maximum maneuverability, which is made possible by independent wheel motors that let them turn on a dime. While a conventional lawn tractor may be capable of rounding a 16-inch diameter circle, a zero-turn mower can trace a zero-diameter circle or even pivot 180 degrees to retrace its previous path. Thanks to this extreme dexterity, a zero-turn mower can cut an acre of grass in half the time a lawnmower tractor with the same size mower deck, saving operating time, fuel, and maintenance costs. We have listed the top 5 zero-turn mowers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, gettinggear.com. Number 5. Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch electric lawn mower. Greenworks garden tools are produced in China, although it is important to note that the construction quality is high and comparable to garden tools made in the United States. A lot of disgruntled former gas mower owners are changing over to cordless models like this one because of how much easier they are to push around the lawn. You don't get to have a self-propel feature here, but you honestly don't need it. The Greenworks 2532-2 is nice and light. Even children don't have any issue maneuvering it around. Greenworks hasn't overcomplicated things with this model and is pretty intuitive. You push down the safety button and hold it there before pulling up on the bail handle, and then you're off to the races. To change the cutting height, you have a single lever to do so, and the grass catcher is simple to attach and take off. Like a lot of modern day lawn mowers, the handle folds over for better storage. I have to say that the way they've done on this model is particularly impressive, folding at 2 points to really reduce the storage footprint. Consumers also frequently comment on how light and easy it is to carry to and from wherever they have it stored in between uses. Number 4. Ariens APEX Zero-Turn Mower. Step up your mowing game sans learning curve with this easy-to-use zero-turn mower. If you're looking to replace your traditional lawn tractor or push mower, the Ariens Zero-Turn Lawn Mower is a fantastic upgrade. Great for yards smaller than 3 acres, the Ariens Riding Mower has a 48-inch cutting deck in its sturdy frame. It's a residential zero-turn mower that's as durable as some of the commercial mowers. Yet, it's not an overpowered, overpriced, overcomplicated lawn tool. If you're new to the world of zero-turn mowers, this is the perfect machine to give you comfortable, confident handling. Number 3. Husqvarna MZ61 Kawasaki Hydrostatic Zero-Turn Riding Mower. If you've got serious acreage, the MZ61 from Husqvarna, aka Husky, to those in the know, should make your shortlist. Its 61-inch cutting deck will make short work of large plots cutting around 4.2 acres an hour. A machine this size needs some special arrangements. Its shipping weight is 800 pounds, and you'll need a forklift truck to move it when it's delivered. Deal with that though, and you'll be getting a top-notch mower. It's powered by a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine with a top speed of 8.5 miles per hour going forward. You can go at up to 5 miles per hour in reverse too. The MZ61 is also available with a 26 horsepower engine by Briggs & Stratton, retailing it at slightly lower price point. Despite its larger capacity, it doesn't generate as much torque as the Kawasaki. If you need something with more heft, it's worth paying the extra. The deck lifting system is easy to operate from the driver's seat using a simple pedal. You can choose from its 12 settings, cutting your grass from 1.5 to 4.5 inches. The deck is made from strong 11-gauge steel with cast aluminum spindles. Cutting can be discharged to the side, mulched or collected. The bagger attachment is sold separately. Who wants to finish mowing and then spend hours collecting cuttings? The bag is generous too, holding 9 bushels so you won't have to empty it every 5 minutes. This is a mower designed to be comfortable over long periods of use. The seat has plenty of padding, a nice high back, and armrest. There are even vibration dampeners to minimize the impact on your hands and arms. And with all this power, Husky has put a premium on safety. The mower comes with a rollover protection system or ROPS. This is essentially a large bar to protect you in the unlikely event that the mower tips over. Number 2. John Deere Z530R 60-inch Zero-Turn Riding Mower. John Deere's reputation for quality and performance shines in the Z530R 60-inch Zero-Turn Mower. It features a John Deere branded Kawasaki V-twin 24 HP engine, 60-inch triple blade cutting deck stamped from 10-gauge steel, 23-inch rear wheels, and a cut and sewn 22.5-inch seat. The cutting height ranges from 1 to 4 inches and the fuel tank holds 4.5 gallons. The Z530R weighs 842 pounds. Additional features include LED headlights, a cup holder, covered side and under seat storage compartments, a foot-operated deck lift, and a low fuel warning light. The foldable roll guard and retractable seat belt provide added safety. The Z530R would make a solid choice for mostly flat terrain. Number 1. Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1. The Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 is featured as the best zero-turn mower in our video of the best lawn mowers you can buy. It features a 50-inch cutting deck that is stamped from 11-gauge steel as well as a tubular steel frame designed for strength, durability, and stability while mowing over different kinds of terrain. The 23 HP Kawasaki engine uses a hydrostatic drive for easier forward acceleration up to 7.5 miles per hour and quickly reversing to maneuver around obstacles or go back over spots you may have missed. A removable floor plate gives you better and faster access to the cutting deck and engine when you need to clean things out or perform maintenance, while the smooth tread front wheels allow you to drive, turn, and pivot without worrying about damaging your lawn. The ergonomic seat also features a suspension system to keep you comfortable and safely in place while driving over rough patches, while the lap bars have ergonomic grips for more comfortable operation. And with a maximum cutting area of 4 acres, the Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 will feel at home in both larger suburban corner slots as well as big rural properties. Buying guide. The Zero Turn Mower is the gold standard for professional lawn services. These grass cutting machines are also a great investment for homeowners with large ex-urban or rural lawns. Zero turns are fast, wide, maneuver with incredible precision, and are able to stop and turn on a dime. This buying guide will give you a better understanding of the types of riding lawn mowers available and the features we looked at when ranking zero turn mowers. Power. An important stat for any tool, the power of a mower's engine will determine your speed and your blade torque. Grass engines of this size usually measure in terms of horsepower, while large batteries measure amperage per hour of use. Consider a higher horsepower engine if you plan to cut thick brush or wild growth. Low to medium power is usually adequate for standard grass lawns. Cutting deck size. A wider cutting deck increases your coverage on each pass across the yard. Wider machines are more efficient but require more power to operate and are therefore more expensive. Deck height. Adjustable decks are standard in modern lawn mowers. Most adjustable decks can cut grass between around 1.5 inches and 4 inches, with several increments in between. This feature is usually more a matter of preference than necessity. Special features. Manufacturers like to add comfort and utility features to their riding mowers to make them stand out. Features like cup holders, USB chargers, and anti-vibration steering wheels are great for getting more enjoyment out of mowing. Some models include mulching kits or leaf packs, while other manufacturers sell them as separate attachments. Price. The most important factor in choosing the right zero-turn mower is your budget. Riding mowers are a big purchase, and we recommend you shop at a few different vendors and local dealers to find the best deal. We quantified the above features and compared them to cost to help you get the most bang for your buck. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.